In this video, I will guide you on how to fix battery drain after Android 17 update. First, launch open settings on your device. Now scroll down and get to device care. From here, select battery. Now select battery usage or daily usage. Here you'll see which apps are using the most battery. If you notice an app consuming excessive power, tap on it and adjust its battery settings. If you don't need the app running in the background, disable background battery usage or restrict its background activity to help improve battery life. Next, clear the cache for apps that are using a lot of battery. Head back over to settings, go to apps, then select the app. Now tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache. This can help resolve temporary issues that may be causing increased battery usage. If you recently installed the Android 17 update, keep in mind that the battery life may be worse for a few days. After a major update, your device needs some time to optimize app and system process, so battery performance should improve automatically after normal use. You also should make sure that all your apps are updated through Play Store, as developers often release updates to improve compatibility and battery performance after a new Android version. Finally, restart your device. Once your device has been restarted, it will clear temporary system process and help improve battery performance. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.